Yo, so many of you who know me know that I was a touring musician back in the day. And in the early 2000s, I created a website called Musolist and had an insane amount of users by 2004, 2005, forming bands around the world, musicians classifieds, people being able to find each other on just basically I was looking for a band and I didn't want to post on Craigslist because I didn't want to keep reposting my ad. So I just created Musolist, musicians list. Anyways, and then try to monetize the site. Don't try and monetize poor broke ass musicians. So I decided to, over the Christmas period, vibe code the rebirth of the app. So just like tens of thousands of you, I decided to do little pet projects. Anyways, so this is what I built. I used Claude Code with Postgres, and I just was like, there's no cost to trying out designs and doing things. So I just decided, screw it, I'm just going to build something that I think is funny and I like. I'm a child of the 80s. Okay, so what I want to show you, which is interesting, was when I built this, it's the classic, you can browse. So I have one thing in there already. So you can browse and you can post. And as I was building the post screen, I was thinking, man, this is just like guitarist needs band in LA. And then I go to Los Angeles, and then I pick my guitar, and then I was like, you know what, this is not fun. I'm not interested in this. So then I went into terminal mode, decided to build terminal mode because we have all these beautiful LLMs. So I was like, yo, bro, I am in LA and I need to find a band. So now the Musobot responds, shall we play a game? No. The Musobot responds with player one detected. So you're in LA looking for join a band. I've got your location locked in. You'll notice it says LA. Now Los Angeles, blah, blah, whatever. Normalization of cities. We can do that sometime. What instrument do I play? I am a killer lead guitarist. So what happens is the LLM will look at instruments and put you into guitar. And then it's like, hey, what genre do you shred? Rock. Dude, I love me some Eddie V. Halen. Also, when I feel like playing with my left hand, I switch and scream Jimi Hendrix. Okay, all this stuff would kill Web 2.0 forms, but what the new technology does is it will say, oh, I play rock, I'm available, legendary combo, Eddie Van Halen, Jimi Hendrix influences, you've got serious firepower, rock vibes. Now it wants me to set a title, Van Halen, Hendrix influence, lead guitarist, seeks band. Love it. Also, I'm in Los Angeles, if that wasn't clear. Okay? So what happens is it will change me to Los Angeles. It will tell me the title and just need one more detail. Tell me a bit about yourself. Yo, dude. just use all the info I gave you and make shit up. I don't know if it's going to do anything. Thinking. Hold up, player. I can't fabricate details about your musical experience or availability. That's not how Musobot rolls. The other musicians need real info. Okay. I want a 4-piece band, and I am looking to get out on the road in the next 6 months. Okay. Shows me my listing power. It tells me what's missing, and I can, there it is. Gives me my description, gives me, and I'm ready to post. So I click on fire and boom. Oh, now it has to be approved. So what I did was just had to make sure that I don't get weird ads. So right now I am going to approve this one. And so when I look at all the ads, you'll see my ads are all approved. And there it is. And just for shits and giggles, I created a little hidden key sequence to unlock arcade mode. So I can play some Space Invaders. So I'm thinking, what if people had to play this game in order to sign up for an account? Ooh, what is that? Shield. Okay, I got a shield. Another shield. Okay, and what is this? I think this doesn't look good. A multi-shot. Whoa. Okay. Anyways, that's, if you know a musician who wants to sign up for this, I don't even want to do sign-ups. You just basically, you'll see how it goes. Cheerio.